Hi traders, and welcome back to the second video in our series of videos to install and configure the Swiss Trading Society Send Screenshots Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4. Ooh, quite, quite a name. Okay. We've already installed our Telegram account. You see here the desktop version of the app, but you can do pretty much the same on your mobile device as well. As soon as you have installed an account, you can use that same account on different devices at the same time. That is one of the big advantages of Telegram over WhatsApp, for example, where you have to change the devices all the time. If you have a WhatsApp Messenger app on your mobile phone, you can use it at the same time on one desktop, but not on another mobile device at the same time. With Telegram, you can do so. You can have your Telegram account open on, I don't know, 3 mobile devices and a desktop device at the same time. What we will do next, we want to prepare everything to be able to get screenshots from our MetaTrader 4 system within our Telegram Messenger. And therefore, we have to configure two things. We have to establish a channel, and we use a bot. Bot is the short name, the nickname for the robot. The robot is a little tiny piece of software that is getting all the pictures that MetaTrader 4 creates for us and will send them or publish those pictures in our channel. So that's the first thing we're going to do. You see, I already have some channels here. These are channels for the German-speaking STS community. What we are going to do right now is to open or to install, to configure an English channel. Therefore, we open here that menu point, new channel, and let's label that channel like STS Send Screenshot. Let's say underline Send Screenshots, like this. Oh, STS Send. Let's label it. Let's label it. And let's label that channel like STS Send Screenshots. So quite important, and I would recommend you always copy the installation pieces here, the names and everything, in a file. In a file where you can store all the details. I opened here a Google Docs document. This is the title, let's say, installation. Okay, and we can put in here all the details of our installation and configuration. What I have here is the channel name. The channel name will be used afterwards. We will have to put that into some value. We have to give that in. We have to input that piece of information in the MetaTrader 4 later on. So let's go back to the Telegram. Description is optional. We don't need that. Quite important now is we need to use a public channel. Private channels won't work. We need a public channel, and we have to give it a link. Let's say here again, STS Send Screenshots. We take pretty much the same names. And here we want to copy that again into our file with all the installation notes. So first I put that here, and then I copy the name of my channel, and we call that again channel link. And at the time being, we do not yet want to add some members. And now what you see in this window here, we have just created our channel. That is perfect. So the next thing we want to configure is a bot. Bot is the nickname for robot. That is a little piece of software we need. And to install that, to configure that, we need the so-called bot father. And the bot father helps us to create a bot and gives us here all the commands that are necessary. Here you see that right away to create a new bot we have the new bot command. We open that, all right, the new bot. So the bot father is talking to us. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So the bot we want to choose is pretty close to what we already had. Let's call it STS send screenshots underline bot. And you see we have created our bot. Now there is one little piece of alphanumeric numbers that is quite important, and that is the so-called token we find here. The token is something like a password to make sure that our bot is used just by people that have access to this token. Therefore, it's really, really important that we never forget about that token. And you see it's a long line of numbers and stuff, so we put that again into our document with all the credentials. Now we have to do a last thing. We have to make our bot a member of our Send Screenshots channel. And therefore we go into our Send Screenshots channel again. You see at the time being there's one subscriber, that's ourselves. So this time we want to add a member to this channel, and we want to add the STS send screenshots bot. You see here the Telegram system has found our bot, and we will add it. And now also very important, we have to make the bot an administrator of our channel and give him all the rights that are given here, and that's good. So we have 2 subscribers. If we want to check them, we can do that here. Swiss Trading Society, that is my Telegram account, and the screenshot, the Send Screenshots bot. That's all we have to configure and to make ready within our Telegram account. In the next video, we will install all the rest that's necessary in our MetaTrader 4 application.